Hey everybody, welcome back. As I said, I was going to keep live updating as we go. The current time is about 10:40 Eastern. Right now it seems that the snow has shifted from what was a light, fluffy, easy to clean mess into this hard-hitting snow now. I believe that we are entering the ice portion of the event. This is when it's going to get even more dangerous out there, so you guys please stay inside, hunker down. I'm going to do a little bit of walking around so you can kind of see what's up. It's down my road. There's not much going on. It's kind of coming in sideways. It hurts a little bit when it hits you. But these snowbanks are pretty unreal. As you can see the house in the background there. But just gonna give you guys a view of what's really going on. Oh. Let's see if we can get up here. So, this is what it is. It's messy nonsense. Wherever you guys are, wherever you folks are, thanks for watching. I'm gonna keep posting as the day goes on. I'm gonna take another measurement here, probably about noon of the snowfall, and I'll post that when it happens. Aside from that, stay put, don't drive, stay warm, make sure that you've got reserves of water in case the power goes out, make sure you've got alternate heat methods, gather your blankets, charge your flashlights, fill water bottles, fill a bathtub with water, whatever you need to do. Just make sure you guys stay safe. Thanks for watching. I'll check in later.